My name is Emily McKinnon. I'm here at Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We are right between Corvallis and Eugene, right off of the Highway 99. Come see us and see this beautiful Vita 2020 model. This is a 24P model. This is my absolutely favorite floor plan of the Vita that Winnebago makes. This is going to be on a diesel V6 Mercedes Sprinter chassis. As you can see, you're going to get awesome gas mileage in this, probably an average between 16, 18 miles per gallon. So great coach if you're looking to, do some small time traveling or just travel the country in a nice economical vehicle. Let's go ahead inside. So as you can see how spacious this is for a 24-foot coach. Keep in mind that this is only 24 feet, so extremely easy to drive in and out of parking lots, parking when you're grocery shopping, getting your stuff in and out, super easy. It's got a full queen size bed. When the slide comes in, this is a nice full wall slide. You can keep your sheets on the bed, fold it up. That slide's gonna come right over the bed here to make it nice and simple for you. You have the option of installing a television here if you'd like. Some people like, some people don't. Your choice. You've got a nice little window here for some extra natural light. Some cupboards up above there for extra storage, plus a neat little shelf there. And then you have some USB ports. There's a 12-volt inlet there, and then some 110 inlets also. Again, in a 24-foot, you've got an amazing spacious bathroom. It is a 3-piece bathroom. So you've got a nice full shower there with a skylight, ventilation fan, toilet, nice size sink with medicine cabinet, everything you need. Doors right here, it's a sliding door. Then come along in the kitchen. You've got an ample amount of counter space, nice little lit up spice rack here. Plus your TV is situated right across from the dining area. Again, nice big beautiful window that Winnebago puts in these Vitas. Lets in lots of natural light coming from the kitchen as well with that nice full view. And that's what you want to see when you're camping, when you're, cooking on the stove. Beautiful view. You've got amazing shelf space here right behind the TV. Of course, more storage for your kitchen. That goes all the way through. This is a gas stovetop, little splash guard here. Gas stovetop, then you have your convection microwave oven down below. This is kind of interesting, and what I tell people is that if you're ever heating up stuff on the go, it's actually a little bit more convenient if you're driving and heating stuff up, because then it's not going to spill all over you, whereas if it were up here, it has a little bit more risk, but still be careful. So it's down here, convection microwave oven. You've got tons of storage drawers here, all throughout. Again, nice wide space. Storage here. I mean, there's just so much storage in a 24-foot spot. They did a super job in this one. Nice, this is an all-electric refrigerator, by the way. It's not an RV refrigerator, so super efficient. You can run it off your generator or if it's plugged in. This does make into a bed, and then what makes this a Class C is the bunk up above. Kids love this. Super fun for the kids. If you're traveling with little ones, kids, grandkids, your ladder, safety ladder, you got a privacy curtain, or you can use it for extra storage. Nice dash up there. You've got your side view and your backup camera monitor right there. And then everything that Mercedes has to offer on the Sprinter chassis. Very, very quiet drive, these Sprinters. Let's go around real quick on the outside and I'll show you the storage options. Notice we've got the awning out. Provides lots of beautiful shade when you're camping. You can set up your chairs, your table right here. Nice paint job on this. They got a high gloss coating over it, so it's going to protect your coach for a lot longer. Storage for your hose, if you choose, that's where you store it. You've got your water flush there. Winnebago gives you a really good amount of storage in here. It's nice and tall. You can store some chairs in there, some outdoor equipment. Your 30 amp cord goes right here. reels in and out, very easy, and it's nice and tucked out of the way. Again, this is everything you need for filling up your water tanks. Fresh water goes here, and then when you're camping, and then this is where you fill up your actual water tank, your freshwater tank, with a potable hose. Satellite ready, so you can hook up a satellite right here, or excuse me, not satellite, solar panel, and then your cable when you're camping. And again, just a beautiful coach. If you want to come see this in person, it's a great test drive. I'd encourage you to test drive it in person. And I hope to see you soon. The number here you can reach me at is 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519. And until next time, I'm Emily McKinnon, and enjoy the road.